Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make Cajun baked squash, peppers, and onions in the oven. Yes. Oh, you're going to love this. Healthy, quick. You're going to love it. And that Cajun taste, wow. Let's get started, okay? All right. So I have here some yellow squash, green squash, red pepper, green pepper, and we're going to cut up an onion, okay? All right, so let's get started. We just cut off each end, and then we're going to just cut the squash right in half, and then half again. Make sure you can see. I cut it in half. Now I'm going to cut it in half again. Okay. Now we're just going to do long strips. Okay, now you're going to cut the strip in half. So let me show you that. Okay, that's the size we want. Same process. Okay, if the strip that you cut, this next half that you use is the size that you already have, you don't have to cut it in half again. It's not the end of the world about this, the size, okay? Okay, I'm going to cut this in half again because it was wider, see? So I cut it into two pieces. Okay. Just cut you some strips. And that's what we're working with. And this one's smaller, so I don't have to cut it into half first. As long as they're around the same size, it doesn't matter how you get to that. This piece here I have to cut. Okay, let me show you that. I have another one, same process. I'm going to cut this in half because it's thicker. Cutting this one in half because it's thicker. Okay. Same thing here. Okay, now I have the green squash. That was the yellow, this is the green. Cutting it in half, same process. Okay, I have one more green one to cut up. The last half of the last green one. Okay, so now I have to cut up the peppers. And let me get a container to put them in. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the red pepper. Clean that out. Taking the seeds out. Okay, seeds out. And then I'm just gonna cut it in half because it's so long. Okay, and then we're just gonna do strips. Same process, same strips. I always cut this bottom part off so that I can get the flat strips again. Watch. So you see, now I can do my strips again. Same process. Okay, now we're going to do the green one. Clean it out in the middle, take the seeds out. I cut the bottom off because this is much smaller, so I'm not going to have two pieces. I'm not going to have 4 pieces, I'm just going to have 2. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta get my onion. Okay, so I have 2 onions here that we're gonna cut up. So first we're gonna cut off the end on both sides. And then cut through so that you can get the outer peeling off. Like so. I'm going to do the other one. Cut through so that you can take the outer portion of the onion off. Okay, so now we're going to cut the onion in half and then cut it in strips again, just like this. Okay, I'm sorry. So here's the half. We're going to cut it in strips. Okay? Same thing with the next one. Okay. Now we're going to get our pan. This is the pan that I'm going to be using. I'm going to oil the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to put let me put the onions in to get it out my way. Because I want to move over so you can see. Okay, so the onions you're going to take and separate into pieces like this. Well, let me show you this way. Okay? Alright. So that's what we're going to do for the onions. Because we want them in strips as well. Alright, now let's add our squash, our yellow and green squash. And we're going to add our red and green peppers. So right away you can see the colors there. It's beautiful, right? Let's mix this in. Okay, now we're going to add our seasonings. Okay. Wash my hand. There we go. Okay, so I have Jake's Grilling Cajun Rub. Jake's Grilling Cajun Rub. Okay. So let me just open this up. Okay, and that's what it looks like inside. Now, if you don't like Cajun rub, you can use any kind of rub you want, or you can make your own rub, okay? Alright, so I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to put a lot on because I got to mix it onto all of it, right? Okay. I also want to add a little garlic. And a little salt. Then on top of that, I want to add olive oil. This is the key ingredient, olive oil, okay? Oh, let me show you this. Okay, I'm going to mix it in, but I just want you to see, okay? Now we're going to add some olive oil. Lots of it. Okay. Now let's mix that in. Let me let you look at that. How about that, huh? Nice, right? Okay. So we're going to bake that in the oven on 350 for about, I would say, 10-12 minutes. Okay, what you want to do is have the vegetables crunchy. You do not want them soft and mushy. Okay, alright, so I'm going to put that in and we'll be back in about 10-12 minutes. Thank you. Let me wash my hands. Let me give you the word of the day before I put that in. The word of the day is try to be strong so that you can carry on. Okay? Try to be strong. I was very, very weak today when I got up. I felt like I had no strength at all. And so I laid there extra couple of hours until I felt like I was strong enough to get up. And it was much better once I got up and told my mind that I needed to be strong to get what I need done today. So you do it. You try to be strong so that you can get along. That's the word of the day. All right. I'll see you in 12 minutes, okay? Okay, guys. Our zucchini, peppers, onions, and a Cajun seasoning is out. Look at that. Let me let you get a good look at that. Look at that, huh? And let me get a thumbnail. Wonderful. Okay, let me take a taste. And by the way, guys, that took not 12 minutes, but 20, okay? Because it was still hard as a rock. I had to let it cook until it got softer. But not much, not too soft, right? Because vegetables we need to eat crunchy. Okay. Let me take a taste. There we go. It's definitely crunchy. Mmm. Awesome. Okay, sorry. Okay, guys. See you next time.